Yo, what going people? So, I could do a challenge. Cool? So, but I work yesterday. I was at work yesterday and somebody said something to me and I actually never tried it. So I decided that I'm going to try it today. And I'm actually tried it already. And my sister, yo, like, impossible. Oh, I remember not saying impossible, but very difficult. I never know so I saw this actually difficult. But the challenge is take a egg, put it in an handmiggle, until you can't do it. Yo, babes, come here. Yo, that's where this at. Oh, come here now, babes. Put on them now. Put on them now. Put on them now. Hold it to the handmiggle and try break it. I prove a point.
Wow, we can't know.
Put look at back into it, man.
You back and put everything.
I know why people think that man try wife up egg.
You can't know this.
If you feel like you can do it, shut a video, make me see it. Cause I know I'm weak, so.